G990-2040. In a world where your front door can text you, video doorbells have become a must-have for security, convenience, and peace of mind. One of the latest entries to the smart home game is the Ring Battery Doorbell, 2024 release. But how does it stack up against top rivals like the Google Nest Doorbell and Arlo Essential Video Doorbell? Today, we'll break it all down. Features, pros, cons, so you can pick the one that fits your home and lifestyle best. The following section, Ring Battery Doorbell 2024 release. The Ring Battery Doorbell 2024 builds on Ring's legacy, offering modern upgrades for smart security with no wires needed. Upgraded 1536p HD Plus video, a sharp jump from the previous 1080p. This new resolution captures wider and clearer footage, great for identifying faces, packages, and license plates. Color night vision. Unlike traditional night vision, this gives you more detail after dark, which is helpful for identifying people or objects in low-light conditions. Advanced motion detection. Customizable zones let you control where motion is detected, reducing false alerts from cars or pedestrians passing by. Quick-release battery pack makes recharging super convenient. Just pop it out, charge it indoors, and you're back in business. That Ring app and Alexa integration, full access to live view, two-way talk, and quick replies via the app. Seamlessly connects with Alexa Echo devices for real-time alerts. Simple setup, battery-powered with optional hardwiring. It installs easily with minimal tools. Ring Protect subscription required. Without the subscription, you'll miss out on video recordings and extended history. Only live view and motion alerts are free. No Google Assistant or Apple HomeKit support. Strongly favors the Amazon ecosystem. Slight lag on notifications. While it's improved, motion notifications may still arrive a second or two slower than competitors. Verdict: the new Ring Battery Doorbell is perfect for Alexa households and those who want simple, effective monitoring with excellent image quality. Just be ready to pay a monthly fee for full features. Section 2. Google Nest Doorbell, battery, 340 to 640. Next, the Google Nest Doorbell, battery, a sleek, intelligent option packed with smarts and ideal for Google-powered homes. The 3:4 vertical video ratio offers a taller image, which means you can see from head to toe or top to bottom for packages on the ground. On-device AI detection detects people, packages, animals, and vehicles without sending everything to the cloud, reducing lag and preserving privacy. 3 hours of free video history. Even without a subscription, you get snapshots and event recordings stored for up to 3 hours. Rechargeable battery or wired option, flexible power setup depending on your needs. Google Assistant and Nest integration. Pair it with Nest displays or speakers for door alerts and quick communication. All right, familiar Google Home app interface, intuitive, clean, and smartly designed to group devices by rooms. No continuous recording even with subscription. Unlike some Ring and Arlo models, it only records events, not 24/7 footage. Limited third-party smart home support. If you're not in the Google ecosystem, integration options are slim. Longer charging times. The battery takes longer to recharge than Ring's quick swap packs. Verdict: the Google Nest Doorbell is a tech-savvy choice for users already tied into Google's ecosystem. It's especially great for those who want a helpful, AI-powered camera without needing a subscription right away. Section 3. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wireless, 640 to 930. Finally, the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wireless, a security-focused device that blends video clarity with proactive features. Video 1536p HD video with 1:1 aspect ratio, Arlo's square video format ensures you can see everything from the visitor's face to the package on your doormat. Oh, built-in siren, a unique feature that lets you trigger a siren manually or automatically when motion is detected, a strong deterrent for intruders. Smart Alerts differentiates between people, animals, vehicles, and packages with subscription. Pre-recorded quick replies speak to visitors even when you're busy with automatic messages. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings, one of the most platform-agnostic options on the market. Arlo is known for having nearly real-time alerts, great for catching activity as it happens. Wow, subscription heavily encouraged. Without Arlo Secure, you lose out on cloud recordings, smart alerts, and package detection. Battery life can be shorter. Especially in high-traffic areas, you may find yourself recharging more often. Trickier setup. While still wireless, some users report the mounting process being a bit more complex than Ring or Nest. Verdict: Arlo offers advanced security features and wider compatibility, making it ideal for those who want maximum control and fast alerts. Just keep in mind, you'll get the best experience with a subscription. The final comparison, 9:30 to 10. So which video doorbell is the best fit for your home? 1. Choose the Ring Battery Doorbell 2024 for the best Alexa integration, excellent HD plus video, and hassle-free setup. Just budget for the subscription. Pick the Google Nest Doorbell if you love smart AI features, want some free video storage, and already use Google Assistant. Go with the Arlo Essential Doorbell if you want strong security tools, fast notifications, and flexible smart home support, even beyond Google or Amazon. No matter which one you choose, you're upgrading your peace of mind and getting eyes on what matters most, your front door.